Today you will learn how to add 3D lighting to skin in Photoshop. First, click on the adjustment layer icon and choose gradient map. Change the blend mode from normal to luminosity. Now open the gradient properties and make sure the gradient is set to the default black to white. Create a gradient point in the middle of the gradient bar. Open the color panel and set the brightness to 50%. Now move the gray and white gradient points to adjust the light. After adjusting the light, click OK. Now decrease the opacity to 50%. If you want to add more shine, simply duplicate the gradient layer and adjust the opacity of the duplicated layer. Hold Shift and select both layers, then press Ctrl+G to group them. Now create a mask on the group. Select the mask and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Now select the soft round brush and paint on the skin. Make sure white is the foreground color. Now this is the before and this is the after. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.